I was today years old when I learned that you can make soft pretzel bites at home using canned biscuits. So you'll cut each biscuit into fourths and shape it into a pretzel bite, or you can roll out the biscuit into a log and cut them into fourths. You're then going to add a 1/4 cup of baking soda to boiling water, but do this kind of slowly because it does bubble over. You're then going to add the pretzel bites to the boiling water, keep them in there for about 30 seconds, remove them and put them back on the baking sheet. And then you're going to melt some butter and spread that over each pretzel bite. Don't be shy on the butter with this part, it adds some good flavor to it. And then top it with some coarse salt. And then you're going to put it in the oven to bake at 425 for 12 to 15 minutes until it's a brownish color. And look at that, you have pretzel bites. I literally had no idea. I can't believe how cool this is.